Hello, it's Ella here. So I want to talk about different types of SEO activity. So your marketing agency may talk about SEO as a whole, but I want to break down the different elements that are within it, essentially. So first off, we have on-page SEO. So this relates to the content that is on your website. So it includes strategies to help optimize individual pages on a site to help search engines understand the topic of the page. So this will include activities such as, making sure you've got correct H1 tags, you've got alt text on your images, your pages are optimized for keywords, stuff like that. So if you've seen those sort of activities in your marketing plan, that's what they help to achieve. It's that on-page SEO tasks. The next up is technical SEO. So this relates to non-content elements of your website. So it involves improving the foundations of your website, its back-end structure, and ensuring that the site is readable. So it's basically fixing and reviewing any technical issues that can prevent Google from crawling your website and reading the information that's on there. Then we've got off-page SEO. So these techniques help to strengthen the influence and relationship your website has with other websites. So this includes strategies to build the website's authority, credibility, and reputation. So this will include backlink activity, so getting links from really, really relevant and high authority websites linking through to your website. That helps to kind of show, in Google's eyes, if you've got a really authoritative website that's really relevant to your industry and they're linking to you, it increases your credibility. Next up is international SEO. So this is when your website, you need to basically optimize it so the search engines can identify which countries you serve and want to target and which languages you use for business. So this really only applies to kind of multinational global companies who serve different countries and languages, and there's different sort of activities that you need to do to cater for that, really. And then lastly, we've got local SEO. So local SEO techniques involve optimizing your website to attract more business from relevant local searches. So this is a highly relevant activity for smaller businesses that cater to the local area. So you can see some significant gains from certain activity such as directory citations. So if you're, I've mentioned this example before, but if you're a local plumber in Canterbury and you're updating all the kind of local directories in your area with the correct address details, phone number details, and website URL, that can really help strengthen your ranking position for those local terms. So yeah, they're the 5 main types of SEO. I hope that makes sense. Hope that gives a little bit more clarity. So yeah, thank you.